In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play GTA 5 on your MetaQuest 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up VR mode for GTA 5. Keep in mind that GTA 5 as of today does not offer a way to natively play itself in VR mode on the Oculus MetaQuest 3 headset, and because of this we need to use a mod. So this mod is going to work as long as you own GTA 5 either through Steam or the Epic Games Store. Just make sure that you look for GTA 5 Real Mod or look for Grand Theft Auto 5 VR and you will be able to find yourself at this page. It's made by Luke Ross 00 and it's uploaded on GitHub. So all that you have to do is go over to this page, and as you can see there is a lot of text over here on the quick setup, but you don't have to worry. If you want to go over this yourself, you can, but all that you have to do to actually download the mod is click on Release 7 over here to the right side of the screen and then download this RAR file. You will be able to run this file to get the mod working. And all that needs to be done is you have to extract all of these files here on the GTA 5 directory. So to find where GTA 5 is installed, if you have it on Steam, just right click the game, manage, and then browse local files. If you have it on the Epic Games Store, this is going to be different. Now all that you have to do is drag all of these files into the Grand Theft Auto 5 folder. Once you do this, run the realconfig.bat file and you will be able to choose which quality you want the game to run in. After this is done, the next step is to go over to Virtual Desktop. So this can be done using a link cable or Airlink. Assuming that you have never set up the Quest link before, you will basically be connecting your MetaQuest headset with your PC. There are plenty of guides out there and I recommend that you look for an in-depth one if you need help. But when you go over to the virtual desktop mode, you will be able to launch GTA 5 directly from your PC and the game should launch in VR mode immediately. So all that you have to do is download this mod by Luke Ross. I hope I was able to help you on how to play GTA 5 on MetaQuest 3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.